Hello guys. Welcome back to another interesting video. In today's video I will show you the best settings for OBS Studio. By applying these settings you will be able to record any type of gameplays without any lag. So let's start. In step 1, simply right-click on OBS Studio and click Properties. Now go to the Compatibility tab. Here mark Run as Administrator. And now save these settings. In step 2, open OBS Studio and go to Settings. From the General tab you can change language and theme of OBS Studio. Now go to the Output tab, which is the main part of your settings. Here change the output mode from Simple to Advanced. Now click on the Recording tab. From the recording path you can browse the path of your recorded videos. Now in the recording format choose MP4, that's the best. From the audio track you can choose audio tracks you want to record while recording. In the encoder choose 264. In the rate control choose CBR. I have shown the different bit rates for different PCs on the screen. As my PC is low-end, that's why I am choosing 5000. You can choose according to your PC specs. In CPU usage, choose Superfast. In Profile choose High. And in Tune choose Zero Latency. I have provided these codes in the description. Select the first one and copy-paste it in the last option and give a space. Now, if you have a low PC, copy for performance code, but if you have a good PC, then copy for quality code. Now click on the Video tab. In Base Canvas and Output Scaled Resolution choose the highest resolution available on your device. And in the downscale, if you are having bicubic, then change it to Lanczos. In the last FPS, if you have a good PC, then choose 60, whether choose 30 frames per second. Now save these settings and you are done. Let me know in the comment box that was this video helpful or not. I have lots of more videos for you. So don't go without subscribing, as your subscribing motivates me to make more videos betterly. Bye. Take care and be happy until next video.